everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you cauliflower and potato sabzi. In typical Punjabi we call it Aloo Gobi Sabzi. It's very tasty and it's super easy to make. And without wasting any time, let's start with the ingredients. I'm going to use a half cauliflower. It's a full gobi. I'm going to wash it and I'm going to pat it dry, then I'm going to cut it. Very important tip, please don't cut it, then wash it. Then it's going to retain the water, and when we're going to cook the gobi, it's not going to be as crunchy as what we want it. 1 onion and 3 potatoes, aloo. I'm going to peel the skin, I'm going to cut it into small pieces. As for onion, we're going to cut into the long slices. 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 teaspoons ginger, cumin seed, 1 teaspoon, coriander powder, garam masala, cumin powder, salt, turmeric, half teaspoon each, and 1 green serrano chili. Onion cut into long slices, potatoes are cut into small pieces, and cauliflower is also cut. And let's start making aloo gobi. Get a fry pan, and I'm going to start gas, and we're going to keep gas on high. I'll bring olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil. As the oil start to heat up, I'll bring cumin seed and ginger. Mix it, and we're going to cook it for like 10 to 20 seconds. And this is good enough. I'll bring onion. Mix it well. We're going to cook our onion 2 to 3 minutes. We don't want our onion to get burned. We want to keep them fresh. Cooking our onion for 3 minutes. This is what we needed. Now I'm going to bring all the spices. First I will bring the green chili, coriander powder, salt, cumin powder, garam masala, turmeric powder. Mix it well. We're going to cook it half minute. Once it's nicely combined, I'll bring potatoes. We'll bring our gas to medium, and we're going to mix it well. After mixing it well, spread it evenly. Cover with the lid, and we'll cook it for 3 minutes. On medium gas, cooking for 3 minutes. Mix it well. Once it's nicely mixed, I'm going to bring cauliflower. Mix it well. Keep mixing. Make sure that all the spices, all the masala is coated to cauliflower. Cooking our cauliflower for 2 minutes. On the medium gas, cover with the lid, and we'll cook it for 3 minutes. Cooking for 3 minutes on medium flame. Mix it well. Once it's nicely mixed, so if we check our potatoes, pretty much they are cooked. So cover with the lid and we'll cook additional 3 minutes. So within 10 minutes, our vegetable will be ready. Another 3 minutes of cooking. I'm going to open the lid, mix it well. If we check our potatoes, they are nicely cooked. And as for the gobi, the cauliflower is still firm. And that's what we need. Our gobi is ready, and I'll turn up the gas. Sprinkle some cilantro or parsley, whatever you have available. This is perfect. And mix it again. I have my serving karai ready, and I'm going to dish out. Our quick and easy vegetarian dish, gobi aloo, cauliflower with potato, is all ready. And please try it. And you always can serve with the roti, chapati, fulka, naan, paratha, tortilla, and bread. This is very easy recipe to make. So if you like this recipe, like always, like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you. Bye-bye.